Okay, we're in one of my favorite areas, of course. We're in Bella Flora. This house is a one-story. It's over 3,600 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, kind of huge. And not only that, it's like in the back, there's a big pool. There's a golf situation. It's almost like not an entire hole, but it's like you got the green, and then you've got enough, about 55 yards or so, where you can actually do a drive or a chip, depending on how strong you are. You know, you got that. You can practice your golf. Get out. Now, the HOA here, because this is Bella Flora, I've done videos on this. I've done videos on, it's Bella Flora, and then there's Bella Flora, Bella Crossing, and Bella Ranch. Bella Flora is the gated, secure, more, you know, upscale, I guess you'd say, of the subdivision. And it's about, I believe, about $2,700 HOA fee annually. So you got to know that going in. If you love what I'm doing, I would love to hear from you. Share it, comment. If you want to be the first people to get my videos, just subscribe down below. Super simple. Tap that notification button. I'll give you all the goods on demand. Welcome to my fair city. Take a look at everything. So let's go in. Are you ready? I love this area. You're gonna love this house. It is 1 story. It's a John Askew-built, which he's a pretty well-known builder in the DFW area. So I'll give you all the stats a little later. All right, this is a broker's open. So we're gonna see some brokers in there around the food. I know that's shocking, but just pay no attention. We're gonna go through it, okay? Let's go. Okay, here we go. And look at this lovely wood floor. There brings a nice warmth to the house already. You can see this unbelievably open, wonderful living area that just flows right into the kitchen massively. Look at this wonderful dining room, this huge space for a dining room table. They happen to have like a little farm table, family seating situation going on there. So, okay, let's go over to the right. You can see fireplace, of course. There's the money shot. We're gonna get to that in a minute, all right? Hang on. Here we go to the right. Okay, this is the media room of all media rooms. Look at this. Like, the screen is the wall, the entire wall. Oh, good. Guardians of the Galaxy going on. All right. Obviously they're into fitness, into golf, and I believe there's a putting green and a little bit of a driving range outside here too. So, don't know if y'all are into golf or not, but I sure am. Half bath right off here. So this is, and then right across is basically your own gym, okay? Off to the right, like I said, and there's the street out there, the lovely quiet neighborhood. You know I love Bella Flora. Nice closet for storage for all your weights, yoga mats, exercise mats, etc. And we'll just keep going through here. Off to the right, gotta love this. Usually, you usually see these in older homes. It's, you know, catered to the phone situation. There's a little alcove with some shelves here. Now, the primary. Here we go. Big, love that cutout in the ceiling. Very tall ceilings around here. These houses are very well constructed for that. Got, you know, trying to give it a little bit of flair. You know, there's kind of a faux fireplace. A lot of houses are doing this now. They generate a lot of heat, y'all. Wonderful. Into the primary bath, split vanities, one on each side. That's pretty common for out here too. Sunken bath right there with the windows. Thankfully you can close this off. It's not like there's, you know, weirdos, peeping toms or anything, or peeping tomettes, Thomasina's. Okay, wow, look at this shower, y'all. Humongous going in, dual shower. If you, dual showers. I don't like taking showers with people. Sorry. I mean, even a husband. I don't know. That's just me. What else? To each his own. But I think the point you need to know is you can. You know, so that's the goodness of it. And the toilet closet. Now, it looks like this is not connected. No, it's not. Here we go. First walk-in closet. And I know my camera work is so great, y'all. Sorry about that. Attic access up there. Loads of storage. We likey. Okay, now this floor is actually normal for this year of build, which I'm going to give you in a minute. And here's a little bit shorter and smaller of a closet. Still works though, y'all. It's more vertical than it is horizontal. So you're probably still getting the same amount of space. It's just going up instead of out and down. All right. And lovely little sitting area right next to the faux fireplace. I didn't point that out, but I know you saw it. And shelving, nice flat screen, and smart features for the home, okay? I'm gonna go out here real quick and we're gonna go to the other side of the house. Let's tackle the kitchen here real quick. Alrighty, oh my gosh, well, you know, lovely GE double oven. We love that, right? Double oven, microwave, and loads of cabinets over here. And I bet you this is your walk-in pantry. Yep, huge. Usually the light comes on automatically, but I'm not gonna turn it on. Alrighty, and here we go. Kind of a separate, well, this is the sink action over here where you can look up. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get out there and show you the golf real quick. Let's go over here, go down the hall. This is a 2015 build, if I didn't mention that, okay? Over here is the all-important utility room. Loads of storage. This is a nice one, y'all. And ample sink if you need to do some hand washing. Love that, off to the side. And gosh, just when you think the house is stopping, no it's not, you know. So here we go. Office. She had mentioned that to me, that the office was over here, and very interesting because you know, the bathroom is here as well. So you could actually, technically, I mean, that's the office, but you can make it a bedroom. You could, you know, do whatever you need to do. And this is kind of another office situation. It's a bonus room, let's just call it that. And there's access apparently to the outside. Get out. How great is that? And here's the mudroom off to the side. Printer, just in case you come in from the garage and it's like, oh my God, I gotta take off my jacket and then I gotta print. It's all together. Okay, and look at this. Very mammoth three-car garage. Water filtration system. You got to know that out here you're on a well system. So we can talk about that some other time. But this is very ample. Even if you don't use all three, garage spaces, you can certainly, use it for storage, you know. I'm hurrying up, I hate to do this, but wow, here's another huge walk-in shower. That is super deep. That's gotta be about a good 7 feet in, 6 or 7 feet in. All not updated because it didn't need to be. Dual vanities, dual sinkage, and toilet closet. And I want you to see this is very Tuscany, this house, you know, with the warm wooden floors. Here we go, little bunk bed action facing the lawn, and huge closet for this child, one of the children. Oh wow, how fun. Stanford University, yay, rock on with your bad self, you smart kid. And big, oh lordy, big closet. Everything's nice and neat. Here we go, there's a hot tub out there. I can't wait to show you that. Oh my gosh. And hey, if you like what you see, leave me a comment. I wanna hear what you have to say about my videos. Be nice, no need to be tacky. But if you wanna see something in addition to what I'm showing you, just let me know, okay, down below. Just to give you another perspective, sitting room or living room, like I told you, I showed you, that's the entryway. That's the dining area, kitchen, and here we go. We are going outside now, and here we go with hot tub, super cool pool. Look at this patio, very ample, y'all. There are a lot of patios that are not this big. You're not on top of the neighbors. So not only do you have this pool, how cool is that? But look at, you can chip and drop. She said it was 55 yards. I guess that's about right. From over here to the putting green. So it's not just a putting green. It's like you can actually chip, you can drive, all of that. Nice landscaping back there too. You know, sporadic trees. You might want to put in more if you need some more privacy. Now I will tell you, because I've sold out here. I love it. This fencing, that is per the HOA. Like, you can't take that out and replace it with something else that you may like better. It has to be that iron. So there's other stuff that you can do that the HOA will let you. That's not one of them. All right, y'all, if you love what you see and you want more of it, just subscribe down below, tap that notification button. Come on, y'all, and you'll be the first to get all of my videos as we drop them. We're doing about 2 a week, and we're really drilling down on the houses in this area. This is what you get for a little over $1 million in Texas, okay? And I will see you on the next video.